my boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, a cool song from Myles Smith, Heaven. That is what we're aiming for, Heaven. Let's go into this cool tutorial. And what we're going to do here is to just have a clean fretboard and learn a couple of chords, not too many, 4 I believe. So let's start with the chords first. We are going to use the F, and we're going to use the shorter version of it because it's that much easier. And it sounds great, and it's perfect for this song as well. So 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 1st E. In that 1st B and 1st E, I use my index finger to create a short little bar to just cover these 2 strings like this. And yeah, there we have the F. Next chord, C. Okay, so that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have this G sus4. So it's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 3rd fret and push down all strings there. Then you need to add 5th on D and 5th on G. And since we are here and we're going to have A minor as the next chord, we use the bar version of that A minor. It looks like this. So you continue with that bar on this 5th fret this time, push down all strings there, and then you're gonna add 7th on A and 7th on D. And that's it. Okay, so if we just go with this chord progression, which is, by the way, the same throughout the song, we're gonna have the F, C, the G, A minor, and back to G. That is the chord progression. Now, first, let's learn the picking pattern, okay? And then we're gonna look into the strumming. So, picking pattern first, we're gonna play like this for 2 times. That's the F parts. So you don't actually you don't have to hold the bar now. So the only grip you don't need to hold now is the 3rd fret D, 2nd G, and 1st B. And keep that open E string down there in the bottom because you don't need that. I believe it's easier to not go with the bar if you don't have to. So just have that 1st fret B string. So you're gonna play 3rd fret D string together with 1st B. Kick them together. Then again, you're gonna play the 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and 3rd D. Okay, so two times of that. So, and by the way, the pattern here will be pretty much the same for all of these chords, just different grips and notes, of course. That is the F part, 2 times of that. Then you go over to C, and you hold the full chord as it is. You don't have to actually, because the important strings here are the 3rd fret A and 1st B. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret A together with open high E. Then 3rd A again. Then 1st B, open high E, and 3rd A. Okay, so 2 times of that. So then we're gonna go over to the G parts, and what you're gonna hold here now is 1 bar, of course, on the 3rd fret, and it's enough if you just hold the 5th fret on the G string. So that is what you're gonna play for 2 times. So 3rd fret E string in the bass together with 3rd fret B string, then 3rd E in the bass, then 5th G, 3rd B, and back to 3rd E. 2 rounds of that. So then you're gonna go over to the A minor part, and for this picking pattern, you just need to hold the bar, nothing else. You're gonna play it like this. Only 1 round, okay? So 5th fret E string together with 5th fret B string. Then again, you're gonna play the 5th fret E in the bass, then 5th fret G, 5th fret B, and 5th fret E in the bass. only one. So, and then you go back to play the G, one round of that as well, only one. And that is the end of the melody. So slowly, like this, one full round. Beautiful, right there. So that is what you can play from the beginning actually till the very end if you want to, but you can also switch up with some strumming. And now let's focus on that and hold the full chords as they are, of course, same order as well. So F, C, G, A minor, and G. So what you're gonna play now is this. That is one strumming around, and that's what you're gonna play. We have part 1 and part 2 in this as well, because we need to split it in the end there between A minor and G. So what you're gonna play there is down, up, down, down. That is the first part. So if you grab the first F chord, down, up, down, down. So one down and a short little pause before you play up, down, down. So down, up, down, down. And then you play part 2, which is up, down, down, down. So no pause in that, you just play that right after, so up, down, down, down. So together, part 1 and part 2 will be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, down. So you're gonna play F, one full round, C, one full round, the G sus, one full round, then comes A minor, part 1, down, up, down, down, and then back to G, part 1 again, down, up, down, down. So, with strumming, it sounds like this. And in tempo, a little bit faster. And that's it, guys. You have this verse and the chorus play. You have basically the strumming for chorus and the melody, at least in the beginning of the song and the verse. But you can choose to go either way. It sounds great. So Myles Smith and his song called Heaven. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Next time, play tuned.